Oh, this store looks nice.
Yeah, the clothes look modern. Do you want to go inside?
Yes. Let's take a look. Wow, there are many clothes here.
Yeah, so many choices. What are you looking for?
Hmm, I want a jacket.
Oh, that's a good idea. This section has jackets.
Oh, this one looks nice.
Yeah, it looks comfortable. Do you like it?
I think so, but how much is it?
Let me see. It's $40.
Oh, that's a little expensive.
Yes, but the quality looks good.
Yeah, it does look well made.
What size are you looking for?
I usually wear small.
This one is medium. Let's see if they have small.
Oh, okay.
Here, they have small.
Nice. Do they have other colors?
Yes, they have black and blue.
Oh, I like the blue one.
Yeah, blue looks good on you.
Thank you.
What brand is this?
Let me check. Oh, it's a local brand.
Oh, people say it's good quality.
Hmm, that's good to know.
Do you want to try it on?
Yes, I think I will. Oh, how does it look?
Oh, it looks great. Very modern.
Really?
Yeah, it fits you well.
Okay, I'll take it.
Nice choice.
I'm happy with this jacket.
That's the most important thing.
Hello, I'd like to buy this, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm glad we went shopping today.
Me too. You did great speaking English.
Oh, I feel more confident now.
That's wonderful.